something is missing, but it's not like I look a fool is missing. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today is a very special day. dnia has a fashion show and I am about to get ready for the show. I'm about to put my headphones back in and we're going to vibe out. If I could play Usher on here, I would, but I can't. So y'all can play the Usher song while I'm getting ready. And then yeah, let's just see how things go. This tail kind of gone. Foundation is on, and before I do my concealer under my eyes, I have been starting to put the blush on first, kind of heavy, so that when I blend the concealer, it tones down the blush. So I got this pink from Juvia that I'm gonna put on there, and I'm trying to think, okay, do I want to do pink or do I want to do plum? Listening to Bugaboo by Destiny Child, right? Bugaboo is not the correct name for that song. What she is describing is definitely a stalker. That's not a bugaboo. She said, I'm scared. You need to chill out with that mess because you can't keep having me stressed. She's stressed. That's a stalker because she said somehow, some way you track me down. You know how hard it is to track somebody down in the early 2000s? How did you find her? That's a stalker. She should be stressed. That's why you can't give your number to everybody. Remember that, okay? You following me around, you bugging me. Everything you do, you bugging me, it's a stalker. You show up at my door, you bugging me. When you start talking, you bugging me. When I see your face, you bugging me. You make me wanna throw out my pager. Turn my phone off. Break my lease so I can move because you're a bugaboo? No, that's a stalker. That's a stalker, Beyonce. Put your number on the call block. Tell AOL to make my email stop because you're doing too much. That's a stalker. Regret the day that I met you. When you open your mouth, you bugging me. I have returned. And I'm going to finish the things. Okay. It's pouring outside. All right, guys. This is the final look for the makeup. I'm going to, I'm doing that. I'm gonna show y'all my outfit though, so I'm gonna put that on, and then y'all can see the final look. But this is the face. The face is done. Hello, face. Hello, face. And I'm about to change these earrings. So all these guys have sage green. I have my black. They actually do. Oh yeah, they still have a play suit, purse, shoes, face. The final look for the day, for the night. Something is missing, but it's not like I look a fool is missing. Something, I don't know what it is, but it looks great. And the red nails just set it up, set everything on fire. So, all right, I'm about to leave out now so that we can make the cocktail hour for the show. I will catch y'all later. If you are new here, subscribe to my channel. I'll catch y'all on the flip side, okay? Goodbye.